What's up, YouTube? So today we got something super cool. I just got in my Aces EFI Killshot. So it's like the throttle body intake, kind of like the Holley Sniper 2. I returned that because like the packaging, it came in, the packaging wasn't great, and then as I started playing with it, it's like it didn't offer as much customizability as I would like to be able to like monitor certain things or program, and I didn't like the fact that the ECU was actually like attached to the throttle body, and being on a rotary, it's like gonna get really hot and really shaky, and it put me off a little bit. So I did some research before fully like tearing it apart so I could return it if I needed to, and I found this small company called Aces EFI down in Tennessee, and they offer really cool, really good marketing, honestly, and really cool looking product, and it looks like there's much more customizability and tunability, like where you can go in and change anything you want. It's almost like a standalone ECU but on a throttle body intake, so it's really cool. So I'm going to do an unpacking right now, kind of go through, kind of give my first impressions of what it looks like, and follow along. Even have Aces EFI tape across the top of it, so that is pretty cool. Okay, very well packaged so far. Surprisingly, yeah, oh yeah, yeah, nice little hat. All right, cool. Let's see what we got in here. USB adapter, pressure sensor kit, Aces EFI Pro Dash, O2 sensor, 7-inch handheld holder, the Killshot. I don't know what maybe that's the hat. I'm not sure. That aside. Aces fuel injection right there. It's always bet on Aces. Okay, all right. Stickers. A pressure sensor kit. Very cool. Aces. It's even labeled Aces EFI too. It says 0 to 100 psi. Right there, if you can see it. 0 to 100 psi. 5-volt sensor, so you can measure fuel pressure, oil pressure, dome pressure, really anything. Very well packaged too. Oh, put that aside. More foam. Very nice. More foam. Here is the main box. Oh, that's heavy, boy. So far, really digging the packaging. It's all real professional looking. On the Holley Sniper, it was just a cardboard box, and there was no packaging. There was no really anything. It was nothing. It was just in a box with a bag. So this is already substantially higher quality, in my opinion, which is wild because Holley is like known in the industry. Even more packaging. The EFI system looks like. So that comes with, it's in gold. Main components, you can see everything's labeled, so they must check it before they send it out. Firmware. So set 2.15. You got the 7-inch holder. All the stuff comes with, wow, very large. Also got a tuning reference guide. Got an installation guide. It's like crazy. I don't mean to harp on the Holley product, but I didn't get any of this type of stuff. It just came in a box with nothing in it. I had to download a PDF page off the internet. Ooh, more stickers. Oh, I gotta love stickers. Wow, that is a unit. Let me get a close up on that. Wow, look at that. Gold finish is wonderful. My goodness. Very cool. Wow, it's actually metal. You can see the ECU here. This is actually a metal casing, probably aluminum or something, but that's actually really solid. I wasn't expecting that. Oh, it comes with a grommet so you can put through your firewall. That is. Oh, they have rubber mounting for the ECUs. Yep, that's what it looks like. And what is this? Put this down. This is. Looks like coolant temperature sensor, I'm guessing. Yeah, it looks like a coolant temp sensor. Nice, standard. Looks like AC Delco maybe, or GM. Okay. All sorts of mountings. Oh, that's the. Looks like this is the. Oh, handheld. This is for the handheld. So you mount this to your windshield or your dash or whatever. Surprising, actually. Huh. Keychain. Oh, weldable bung. Hardware. Asus fuel injection keychain. I personally, I like the marketing on it. I think it's pretty cool. It's kind of different. Let's see, wiring harness. So it looks like there's the O2 sensor. From what I could gather online, I think it's a Bosch LSU 4.9. I think. Even the LSU 4.9. See if you can see that. It's even labeled Asus. Right, I think you can see that right there. Yeah, Asus EFI, and it's an LSU 4.9. They even labeled O2 sensor. That's pretty cool. Gotta admit. Let's put back the bag. And then we got, what is this? This is description loose wire. Oh, so this is the add-on. Wow, look at the. You can see everything is very well labeled. Like it's like a heat shrink labeling. You got nitrous in, fan 2, so this is a ground trigger for a fan, looks like. You got the TAC output. So that's pretty cool. Bad boy. This is hefty harness, yeah. I mean, if you went to a shop and paid somebody to build this, you would not be disappointed. This is pretty impressive quality, especially for the price point. I think I paid $800 for this whole kit shipped with a discount and everything. Here is the screen. Wow, that's actually really nice. Yeah, it's labeled Asus. Also, it feels like almost like a Samsung tablet. Not as high quality as like say like an iPad, but it feels pretty good. Power thing. So it looks like it's let's see if I can pull this out quick. I believe this is magnetic. Should be. Oh, it screws. Oh, yeah, it is magnetic too. Yes, you can see it actually magnetizes to there, and then you can screw it in for added support, which is pretty cool. Wonder how those pins will hold up. I mean, you probably shouldn't be taking this apart too often, so it should be fine, I imagine. More stickers. I mean, you can't complain. Oh, here's the hardware for that. Let's put this guy back in here for now. And the piece de la resistance. Ooh, look at this. There is the Killshot. That is some pretty nice machine work, honestly. Looks like there's a little bit of schmutz inside. Maybe I'll have to go through and make sure it's kind of clean before you do anything with it. But let's see, is there any... so the primaries do open up to a little bit before the secondaries. But you could probably adjust that so it opens up even less. So you get better throttle response. That's one thing I've seen that people had some issues with. But yeah, I mean, I am very impressed. Wow. Oh, here it is. almost lost. Don't forget that. Even Ace is on there too. This is for your. Put this down. This way. This is for your. Yeah, this goes and plugs into here, so you can. It's nice. It's a USB-C, so you can download update firmwares and stuff. Put your tunes on there and whatnot. This also tunes from your PC as well, so you can have a laptop you can tune with it. So I'm going to put that actually in there. Probably should have been in there anyway. Okay. Wow. I am just kind of really impressed so far. I mean, we'll see how it runs, but I mean, I'm kind of doing something nobody else is really doing it anyway, which is trying to run a rotary with this thing. So we'll see how that goes. There's not really many people. There are barely any people even running the Holleys, and the ones that are basically forum posts. And there's the one YouTuber, Rad Potential, that's done it, sorta, but he used a different. He used a 2-barrel. I didn't know it came with the fuel pressure regulator. That is really cool. It comes with like fittings and everything. It's very interesting. Not sure how the quality of the fittings are. They look kind of like weird, but the sensor looks very nice. It's like kind of like any typical low dollar motorsport, or it's really just any of those sensors. So that's cool. I know it has one output, so you can run one sensor, one oil pressure, dome. I'll probably end up running dome pressure on mine for my turbo, but yeah, cool. I guess once we get on the car, I'll be turning it on, kind of showing you guys what the process is. But yeah, very, very cool. Well, hey, thanks for watching. Once I get the car put together and with get the fuel lines run, the electrical run, I'll be doing a full install video of this. This is just kind of an unboxing, my first opinion of it. Got the merch, even fits my head, which is impressive. This isn't sponsored or anything. I don't have any affiliation with this company, but I am thoroughly impressed compared to the Holley Sniper 2. I paid, I think, $1,600 with shipped and taxes after to my house, and this was, I believe, $850 tax and shipped. And the quality is, I would say, the actual unit itself is on par. The castings look amazing. The harness, I think the harness is maybe slightly cheaper, but like barely. I mean, it looks professionally done. The ECU is really nice. It's all aluminum housing, which is really cool. So it'll heat sink really well, and it'll be sturdy. And I mean, you're gonna be, hopefully, I'm gonna put mine in the engine bay and outside the engine bay anyway. So, but yeah, thanks for watching. Leave any comments or questions or anything. I can try and answer stuff. I've been trying to read everything I can about this, but yeah. All right, peace.